welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share a small-ish Hobby Lobby haul that I did probably in the last 2 weeks or so. I know that most of you have probably taken advantage of the new markdowns that they've had, and I believe most of the items that I got were from the 75% off. So let me just share with you what I picked up. I did pick up one of these Petals and Blooms, the clipboard, so that I can mount this on the wall. And I also did pick up the, what is it, the Sentiments pack. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's the ones that you can clip onto this clipboard, and it has like 12 different layouts and themes on it, but I cannot find it and I have no idea where I put it. But that was from an earlier trip. But this was on clearance for $1.99, so I could not pass that up. And I'm going to move this out of the way. There's so much glare. But I just love how pretty this is and that it's see-through. So I think that will look really, really cute in my craft room. And I'm going in no particular order, just whichever item I pull out of the bag. But I also did pick up this amazing casting resin. I've been wanting to make some resin pieces. I want to actually make some molds first. And I did use my 40% off coupon on this. So that was a great deal from $19.99. I picked up this unicorn head. And this is one of the molds I want to make so that I can have multiples of this in my unicorn section, which I'm about 85% done with. So as soon as that's done, it's taking a little bit longer than I had hoped, but I will be sure to share that with you guys. But I really do want to paint this after I make a mold of it, because these eyeballs really kind of freak me out. I don't know what it is, but I want to just paint it and give it a little bit more color. And the horn already comes glittered, even though it's kind of rubbed off at the top. This was on sale when I got it. This is in the Home Decor, and it's normally $6.99, which even that I think is a great price, but it was 50% off. So I was really happy to find this. It was with other things that didn't kind of go with it. I kind of happened to run across it. So I got that. Some more clearance items. I did find the Petals and Blooms. These are the floral designer labels, and they were only 99 cents. And I thought I could use these for Happy Mail when I'm addressing addresses. And you get quite a bit in here. There's 22, and they're 3x4. Well, the whole sheet is. So that is basically what you get in this, and it was 99 cents, so I grabbed that. I also found this charm. Where is this from? Oh, it's Charm Me. That's the brand. And this was $1.24, and I mainly got it because of this super cute dress right here. Do you guys see how cute that is? So it was $1.24 from $4.99, and all these other ones are super cute as well. I love tiny things. So I was happy to find that. In the art section, I found this deco marker. It's an acrylic paint marker, and it comes with the gold and the silver. And I do love my paint pen that I use from the same brand, the Deco marker. So I thought I'd give these a try because they were only $1.99 from $7.99, which I thought was awesome. So it says it's permanent, and it's water-based, permanent, opaque, and covering marker that dries quickly. It's suited for all types of work and can be applied to paper, cardboard, wood, canvas, metal, plaster, plastic. So I thought that was a neat thing. I don't think I've ever used an acrylic paint marker, but you can never go wrong with gold and silver. I did find this yarn bee. This is eyelash trim, and this is called Peacock. I did pick up another one, which I've already put away, but I started knitting this scarf, and it's so fluffy. So this is more of a mint color. I hope that's picking that up. And as you can see, I ran out, so that's why I had to stop my scarf project. But this is the same yarn, and they were both $1.74, which is awesome, because even if you use it just for the eyelash trim, there is a ton on here. So I was able to find that. I did also pick up these cupcake toppers. I was with Armene, who is Happy Mail Queen. Hey girl! I got a lot of this stuff when I met up with her last weekend, and I never saw these, or I wasn't looking. So these are so super cute, and you get a ton of them. So the other ones are holographic, and they say happy birthday. But, you know, I got it for the unicorns, and this wasn't on sale. I also picked up some more glossy accents for a project I'm working on, and I did use my 40% off coupon on this. And I found these, well, Armene found these unicorns, which they're wood, and I'd actually never saw them before, but she always said that they were out whenever she went. So we were lucky to find some when we were together. So I might dress it up a little bit more. I'm not really too thrilled on the type of glitter they used here. So I might just redo that, but super, super cute. And this was 87 cents. I also did find this on clearance. I was watching Ramona's video, and she had picked up a whole bunch of these, the same artiste crochet thread, and my store didn't have a lot of them marked down at all, and I already took the sticker off, but this was 82 cents, which is amazing, and I wish more of the colors were on sale. So I might check again this coming week to see, but I wanted this to try to make some tassels. I picked up these gemstones because they're iridescent and they reminded me of rainbows, and the gemstones were 50% off. So I got this for $2. I didn't go too crazy, and this is from multiple trips. The stamps were also 40% off when I was there, so I had never seen this, and this is from Momenta, and this was only $2.99, so even if it wasn't on sale, it's a great price. But I just love all these sentiments on here, and I'm always looking for sentiment stamps. So I like the size of them too, because they're great for cards and even tags. So I got that. The paper was 50% off when I was there, so I did grab the Terrace Blooms. This is the 4.5 by 6.5, and I normally don't pick these up, but I love this collection. Let's see if I can go ahead and do a quick flip through if you guys haven't seen it. I'm sure you have. I did grab the 12 by 12 a few weeks ago when everybody was grabbing it. And I just love all the florals, and especially with the blue incorporated in it. So this is, like I said, the 4.5 by 6.5, and I normally don't pick these up because I find like the paper is a lot thinner, but this is actually a pretty good weight, and you get a ton of each. I love the rose gold foiling. I mean, and these can just make really quick cards, but it's just beautiful. I love this shade of blue, and then those rose gold dots. Super cute swans. I love the marbling in here as well, and I love how this is foiled. This has got to be one of my favorites. Of course. Some stripes. I love the brick incorporated in there. Some more marbling. this checkered pattern. That one's okay. Probably don't see myself using that. And then this pink and black polka dot. Love this one with the swans. Super cute stripes. I just love the color palette in this. Gorgeous. And I wonder if you can color over this. So maybe I'll give that a try and let you guys know. So like I said, this was $9 originally, so I got it for $4.50. And the last bit of stuff I got was from the sewing department. All the Sewology items were 50% off, which I like to stock up on my sewing notions and things like that while I'm there. So I did grab these 14-inch zippers, and I like it because of the decorative scalloped edges. So these only came out to $1, which is awesome. And I do have a bunch of these. I just kind of tend to hoard them. I have no idea why. And then I did pick up some of their thread. I've actually never tried them, but I wanted to try the metallic colors. So I got this kind of like minty green, the gold, and then this like turquoise. And these are all metallic. And they're actually a really great price because thread like this can get really pricey. So I got these for 50% off as well. So I think that's it. Yeah, everything else I got from like little hauls here and there from other stores. But I just wanted to share that with you guys really quick. Hopefully you were able to take advantage or still can take advantage of some of the clearance items. And I really hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.